Welcome to one of SOJO Team's projects where we're building this two-story home. Today I'm here to showcase and explain what the SOJO Team does when it comes to design and construction, and we like to think we're absolutely the best. So part of the SOJO Team's intake process, we listen to our clients' preferences and execute on them. What do I mean by that? Previously, I demonstrated in a video what we were planning to do, where the existing house used to be on the left side and the garage is still on the right side. And what we did is exactly what you see. We got rid of the deck area, the space where there was no house or any kind of walls, and we maximized the previous space to the existing space, which is the garage. This way, our clients got one of their preferences, which was an open concept layout. So if you look to the left of me, to the right of me, and behind me, it's such a large space with such a large ceiling. So part of the new design, this wall over here is going to be a TV entertainment area. This is where the clients really get to lounge and just watch TV and hang out. And if you look to the left of me, this is going to be a huge laundry room. They have kids, so they'll be doing quite a bit of laundry. If you're a parent, you know what I mean. As you walk towards the kitchen area, this is going to be a pantry, and again, this is going to be a huge pantry for our clients. They're extremely happy about this feature as well that the SOJO Team designed. As we walk towards the kitchen, this was one of the preferences they really highlighted it, and they told me, Jojo, we really want a large kitchen. Is there any way you can make that happen? So strategically, what our team did was we looked at our setbacks, the existing setbacks of the property in the city of San Jose. If you want to know about setbacks, by the way, there's a video of setbacks that I've created as well, so go ahead and reference that. We extended the existing footprint all the way about here. That way, we're able to give them a large kitchen with a 14 feet island. That's right, 14 feet. So it's going to be a 14 feet island. They're going to have plenty of light. They're getting skylights on the ceiling. It's going to really bring in that natural light. And with the SOJO Team, one of our own internal checklists when we're designing a house is to bring in as much natural light into the house. We value natural light, and we believe it's extremely important for any kind of house that you build. So that's why you see two large windows as well. That's going to bring in the nice light into the kitchen area. And as we walk out of the kitchen area and we walk towards the dining room area, this is where the dining room is going to be. They're gonna have a nice large dining table with plenty of seating. And what I love about the flow of the kitchen and the dining area is they have this multi-system gliding doors. So they're gonna be able to use this gliding system doors, and they're gonna be able to go out to the backyard to host barbecues, dinners, lunches, and they have a nice flow to the kitchen as well. And as I walk out of the dining room area, I can easily go to the open concept that I was mentioned earlier, and it's such a nice hosting. Kids get to run around and look at the large ceilings. So I believe our team did a phenomenal job in designing this property and building the property, keeping in mind all our clients' preferences. And our clients, I am so happy and grateful that they trust the SOJO Team. And stay tuned, and you're gonna see the upstairs. So again, my name is Jojo with the SOJO Team. If you wanna know more about real estate or construction, follow us, like us, and subscribe.